Hi everyone, I am Nehal Vijay Pense and let's see how the last extended week of December 2020, that is the 22nd to the 31st of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Libra. For the Librans, this week is going to be a little bit low when it comes to in general relationships. You might find that the people whom you are trusting or people whom you depend upon have become a little bit too busy in their lives, or let's say are not exactly supportive in whatever you have to say. So you, for this entire week, you might feel yourself a little bit segregated, you might feel a little bit lonely, you might feel that you have to do everything on your own and there are not much people around you physically, mentally and emotionally. So yes, it's going to be a little bit disappointing if you're going to depend on others, but you'll sail the week nicely if you prefer being on your own. It's a kind of an independent week where it is much better that you do things alone your way rather than depending on others. Moving on to the workspace. For those who are self employed, it's an excellent week. So, nice business comes in, the work is beautiful and flowing, with new work coming in as well, that keeps you absolutely on your toes, but yet you are able to work at a very relaxed pace. For this week, particularly whether self-employed or being employed somewhere, it is better that you keep to yourself. Also, don't depend much on people around you. It will be advisable that you do things as much as possible on your own independently so that you're not dependent on others. Moving on to the space of finances, for the Librans, the last week of December 2020 is amazing when it comes to finances. You will literally find your finances flourishing. You will be very, very happy at the current financial condition that you are in. In fact, because the work is also going to be very nice, there are chances that your finances will flourish. And how? An excellent time to invest in new investment schemes and plans. So just go ahead and do that. When it comes to matters of relationship, now this is an area where the Librans have to be particularly careful for the entire last extended week of December 2020. So there are chances that some kind of a misunderstanding is bound to happen in general, as especially in matters of relationship. So let's say you are at a social gathering and there is a discussion happening and there is going to be some kind of a debate or an argument because of a misunderstanding, due to which things might get a little bit sour, they might get a little bit nasty as well. So the Librans are advised not to exactly distance themselves, but keep yourselves as much as neutral as possible. See to it that you don't overindulge in conversations with people, because even with people whom you know and you trust for quite some time, there is going to be bound to be some kind of a emotional misunderstanding happening between you and your loved ones, due to which there could be an atmosphere of, let's say, not exactly peace or disharmony. So, in order to avoid that, see to it that you don't overindulge in a lot of conversations. Be neutral as much as possible, and you'll navigate the entire week very nicely. When it comes to matters of health, there are chances that physically the Librans are going to feel very, very drained. You might literally feel the energy sapping down from you. They are supposed, the Librans should be very careful regarding their left leg. There are chances that there could be some kind of an injury to the left leg, or it could simply suddenly start paining. See to it that you are much seated as possible. Standing for long period of time might actually be a little bit bad for the left leg. So see to it that you don't strain your legs as much as possible. Your reaction and comments and responses about how you felt the entire extended week of December 2020 is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box or drop me a personal DM, and I'll be very happy to learn about your experiences. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.